Masonganya gives away the ball cheaply. Dispossessed and one. And then the Pirates coming through, coming forward, getting into their strides now, looking to try and get it in on the side of Cordoba. No, intercepted. What can they do? Nisma Ruiz goes out wide, ball into the box, and on. Well, from Antia Garcia.
Precise intention as well. Right hand side and bringing any tricky shot for cross for defenders to deal with. Couldn't get it on target.
This doesn't really get it, gets the throw in though. He'll think of taking it quickly. He's the
Mbutuma. Now Mbutuma. You know? Probably turn around and speak Spanish themselves. But
first corner into the near post it goes. Well, dealt composedly.
Footballer has been.
Well, once and always. Once a footballer, always a footballer. And a strike from a distance. Forward they go now. What can they do? Look for a cross back in. Oh, defensively, Orlando Pirates held their own. Danger not averted as yet. Not a lot of space. Wide it goes, looking to get a fine delivery is Manuz. And safely into the hands of Zaza. Citizens to Dina van Rooy. Looking to try and feed it through is Dina van Rooy. And just couldn't find Butuma. Not reading the same book as it would be. Plays it through the middle, looking for Pican. And Zaza off his line very quickly. As well to find a teammate, Mariko. They keep it going. Masonganya leaves it. Oh, gets it again. Zulu looking for a decent ball into the box. Doesn't get one. Going off to Suwele as well as Sabucha Salaero. Also a player that went off. Of course, the biggest one is off. Mufukeng having left as well. And gone abroad. Masonganya. Tito. Yes, affectionately known. Some of those that have also left. Popo plays it short. With Maswanganya whips right into the far post it goes. A little bit overcooked. Jonathan will protect it and watch it go out for a goal. And Stringer, and easily gathered by the goalkeeper. Easy pickings for the captain of the day, to aim for in the box. Doesn't deliver in. They have to try and play short passes. Gives an opportunity for the defense to try and clear it across the face of goal. Oh, they needed a tap in. Needed a tap in, but the presence of Dakan. The man who was lurking behind to try and get to the end of it there. Dava doing well to clear defenses throw in from Jean Cateres. Gets it in there. Opportunity. Well, corner begging. Could have been better.
In terms of creating an imbalance.
Oh, ball given away. Opportunity for another Pirates. Strike from a distance. Mariko had the right idea. Turning it short. No malicious intentions, of course, from Mariko.
You can imagine, I think, for some of the players that have just joined the park.
Looking for options. Finds Lungu, now operating on a different side. Well, first touch, not the best. A short stay for them, finishing in 20th position on the TM. So they are looking at getting back to the land of milk and honey as far as Spanish football. That's right, early ball played in. Zaza reads it very well, gets off his line timelessly so. Lungu does get the better of two, looking to try and offload. Zulu. Van Rooyen was looking for a return ball. Zulu! Well, needed that kind of defending. to try and keep it out. Ruben Alves.
They've upped the tempo. Orlando Pirates in the second half, early stages. Probing in that box. Desperate moments, conceding a corner.
Today, duties to deliver. Into the middle it goes, cleared away by Alves once more. Falls kindly for Van Rooyen, goes out wide, looking for Tito. Tito, not able. Into the box it goes easily. Current goalkeeper of the year in the Betway Premiership and a nominee for 24-25 for 25-26 season. Orlando Pirates, Radio Pane in amongst them. Van Rooyen, Lungu making way. Moremi to step up. Silepe, Mariko, and Butu Zamazulu being one of them as well. So it's going to be quite an exciting season, of course, to watch out for Durban City as well, going into continental football for the very first time. Whipped into the box, easily dealt with.
And to listen to what commentators and analysts say. I mean, I remember the owner of Amazulu listening to the great Teko Modise saying that you need to refresh the squad, bring in youthful exuberance.
No opportunity!
What a goal!
Oh, they find the back of the net. It's Cordoba. They opened the scoring very late though, but they'll be happy that it finally came. They looked as a side that could find the back of the net early. And they've pushed it. They kept what they've been looking for on a turn. Sniper, Chevy Andras. Beating Sipochain. And after defensively not working all out, of course, in the Betway Premiership. Ball into the box. Oh, idea was a fine one. Execution certainly let him down there.
Own identity. He was always going to be a special player.
One of the kinds. Generational talent, of course. Oh, does well! Put on the pressure on the goalkeeper. And the radio man got the right frequency. Piled on the pressure, forcing a mistake. And gets one. Back goal for Orlando Pirates. It's 1-1. Came on, is certainly
Tumeti persistently kept his eyes on the ball, pounced at the right moment, very sharp, too casual, was he not, the keeper? Too casual. Not when you have this man hungry to be part of the starting lineup.